And kayo yung first na team ng Two-Wheel Nation.
Yes.
Right? Wow, congratulations. So, guys, pakilala lang natin, no, our guest for this afternoon, no, for Shock the System podcast is extraordinary to. Kasi, alam mo, this is the first time that we have on the show, our guest are basically members of the cycling team. Members of cycling team. No? Before, nagbabalik Nicole Andaya from The Usuals, Mostly Sport, no? Tapos si Mikay Veloso.
Yes.
Naku, ito to sa mga isang malalakas na cyclist, no?
Wow.
Guys, naku, panoorin nyo to. Tapos si Miss Bay Ponciano. Yeah, naku, ito rin. Naku. Yung mga nakikita ko yung mga nito parang pag nasipa ka nito, patay ka, no? And, syempre, no? Cyclist, storyteller, adventurer, Miss Eloisa Legaliza, no? Guys, girls pala. Congratulations again and thank you for being here on the podcast. Hi.
Thank you
Alright.
for having us.
Thank you for saying yes. No? Umpisa na natin, no? Alam ko nasa iba-iba kayong mga teams. So paano nag-start yun? Sino ba? May tumawag? O tara dito, buwagin mo na yung team na yan. Gumawa tayo sa sariling team. Paano kayo? Magkakilala ba kayo before? Paano nag-start yung Two-Wheel Nation?
Bay.
At first kasi si Eloy pa lang yung gusto mag-race for Tour of Metro Bungkay, and then
Okay.
we come up to what if we build a team tapos
Kailan to Kailan to This year?
This year.
Last year pa?
1 month before. September.
Teka, kailan na Tour of Matabungkay?
October.
October.
3, 4,
Yes.
5. So mga 2 months naman.
Oh,
2
sige.
months naman yung
Okay lang.
yung planning
2 months.
and
Okay.
brainstorming. na kaya ba natin to?
Okay.
Okay.
Tapos 1 month preparation.
1 month preparation. Kasi, naano ko lang, I mean, before we press the record button, sabi niyo nga, you came from different teams eh. So, Bay, ano yung team mo before? With Two-Wheel Nation din, talaga? Mm-hmm.
No, I started as a triathlete sa PNY Tribe kay
Teka
Coach
lang.
Pan.
Coach Pan,
Yes.
Vanessa.
Hi,
Oo.
Coach.
Nakita mo ba yung episode namin? No?
Yeah, I
Okay,
watch
sige.
it. Na-mention nga din ako. Special mention ako doon.
Talaga? Alright. Coach Pan, kung nakikinig ka.
Yes.
Galing. Grabe. So, you were at Pinay Tribe.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. And then si Mikay.
Okay.
Yeah.
For me, I started actually as a MTB rider. Yeah.
MTB rider?
Yeah, MTB.
Oo.
Then...
Nagtitiktok ka rin ba noon? Hindi, biro. Wala ako pinapatama. Okay. MTV rider.
Yeah,
Tapos,
MTB. Then, I started riding road bike nung the first time na nakalaban ko si Ate Eloy. Yeah, nakakalaban ko siya sa first
Okay.
Matabungkay ko. And that was year 2022.
2022.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Doon ka palang nag-road bike.
Yes,
Oo.
oo. Kasi parang...
Bata pa yan.
Oo.
Galing nga.
Ano ba,
Oo.
from MTB transition to road bike, ganun yung naging ano ko. Then after that, road bike, until now.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Paano yun? Bakit you wanted to do road cycling? Kasi male-dominated sport pa rin siya eh. Diba?
For me, parang mas ang goal ko lang ma-inspire din other women
Oh, nice.
to try cycling. Kasi parang passion din kasi ng women para ma-share din sa iba.
Yeah. Curious ako. In Philippine cycling, especially when you look at executive or open tours, meron bang, ano ba sasabi nito? Meron bang parang, sino yung tinitingala nyo? Would you mention? Meron ba kayong parang tinitingala team or athlete, for example?
Athlete.
Oh, yeah.
Locally,
Yeah, locally. Meron ba? Or...
there's only one. There's only one.
Okay.
Yeah, for you.
Of course, there's only... Because there's not a lot of opportunities
Yes,
for
yes,
women
yes.
cyclists. So,
Oo.
the only household name we probably have is si Jermaine Brado. So, when you know...
National team yan,
National
diba?
team.
Yeah.
So, when you
Yeah.
enter cycling, that's the only women cyclists na Philippines na that has made like a real
Impact.
household name for herself.
Oh.
And then, but there's so many other cyclists, na women cyclists and teams na pro, national team. It's just that
Yeah.
there's not a lot of media exposure to get them the recognition that they
Yeah.
deserve.
But as a senior, as a senior, before Jermin also, there's also Marela Salamat who won
Oh, yeah.
SEA Games. And there's
Okay.
also
Oo.
Joyce ngayon Monton na nasa US na. And Corinne, but she's not
Ah, yeah,
Filipino na eh. Corinne Rivera.
Yeah.
But she's not Filipino na eh. Which we understand.
Still counts.
which we understand and which validates Nicole, ano?
Nasa
Yung
ano
sinasabi
siya,
niya.
pro cycling team,
Yeah.
di ba? Si
Yes.
Gwen. Yeah, I follow her based in LA.
Yes,
Oo,
yes.
yeah, oo.
Tama ba?
Visma.
Visma and the,
Mm,
and then the
Visma.
Canon, the EF.
EF.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
oo.
that's a big...
Yeah, okay. So talagang yung platform for women, medyo, hindi ganun ka
Women's
known. Women's
Yes.
cycling.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially in cycling. So, when you guys were thinking about it, or Two Wheel Nation coming up with a cycling team, did you immediately said yes? Or para bang, nako? Parang may ganun ba? Na question na in your mind na, teka lang pag-isipan ko to Ikaw, ano? Yeah.
Yes, meron. Like, siguro, nagsabi na ako ng no eh.
Ba't nandito to?
Sabi ko,
Teka lang,
sabi ko parang, kasi I was busy with work. So, sabi ko, parang very short ng time ko. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na if kaya ko and if hindi ko kaya.
Mhm.
So, that time, I was really busy with work. Nagta-travel. And sabi ko, parang alanganin yung training ko. Malapit na yung tour matabang kayo. Like, 1 month. 1 month na lang.
Less than yan.
Yeah. That's
Si manager naman kasi, a month before ka lang nagsabi.
Hindi ako yung manager, baka akalain yung manager. Akala yung most experience.
Okay.
Na-encourage lang din ako ng mga team ko sa Ate Bay na, kaya mo yan.
Mm.
So, kaya ko na
Yeah.
lang.
Okay.
Kaya, ayun.
Oo.
Na-push.
Yan.
Yeah.
Ako naman, matik na sa akin kasi coming from a cycling background
Oo.
and having experience Tour of Matabungkay 2017, 18, 19, then 2022. Sabi ko, this year, I really wanted, since yun nga, lumipat na ako from team franchise at team cycling to Two Wheel Nation. I really wanted na ngayon, magkaroon ng team talaga. Kasi before, sinasabi ko nga sana, wala akong, parang solo lang ako. Yung sabi ko sa'yo kanina, parang, pag mag-join ako, I accept na, okay, hanggang saan lang yung kaya ko, hanggang saan lang ako makakapit sa mga pro, ganon. And then, yun na nga, I asked the tour organizer, can you, ilang years ko na talaga
Pinag-usapan mo to?
Ilang years ko na talaga,
Okay.
kailan ka mag-a-add ng ibang category? Like,
Oo.
I know naman na parang kaya naman, pero iba talaga yung level of training ng pro sa working or executive or iba talaga. So
Oo.
iba yung training nila. They do this every day for work and then we do it after work. Parang gano'n.
Pero
So,
yung training
yeah.
ni Nicole, parang ganun din.
Yes. Iba si Nicole. So, Nicole, ikaw.
Oo kasi grabe yung I mean, Nicole is a strong cyclist, no?
Yeah.
Did you say yes
overall
daw?
athlete, oo. Did you say yes?
Actually, ito sa funny story.
Sige nga, kwento mo.
Kasi,
Yeah.
when I saw that the category opened, I really wanted to join it already, kahit one stage or 2 stages. And then, so when I went to my teammates, my home team, they didn't want to join it. So when I was looking for a different race to join, I was actually training for a different race, not Tour of Matabungkay. And I was riding up Tagaytay with my friend, who is also the friend of Bay.
Okay.
And I was telling him, hi James. I was telling him that,
James.
I don't want to really do this race.
Okay.
I already did a half Ironman. This is exactly the same thing. I want something
Hindi din
hard.
in June, di ba?
I want something harder. I want something more exciting. I don't know what to do because I don't want to train for this because it's just the same thing over again. And then so that's when he mentioned that Two Wheel was building a team. And then he messaged Bay and then Bay messaged me and I said, kaya ko ba? Yes, I wanna do it. And in my head, I was only gonna do 2 stages pa rin. And then, she says, I asked her if they were doing all stages. And she said yes. And I asked her, kaya ko ba? And she goes, nakalista ka na.
Walang choice.
Yes.
Okay.
So I said, alam mo, I have 4 weeks. I will figure out what to do in those 4 weeks to do all stages.
Mabilisan pala to.
Spoiler
Sa-
alert!
sa moment,
Spoiler
ha?
alert!
Okay.
She won.
Yes.
Overall. Since they already know
Oo.
the result naman.
Yeah, but and then, let's
Hindi lang
talk
niya
about...
kaya.
Hey, well, we've been talking about the tour and siyempre, women in cycling. Pero let's talk about first yung Tour of Matabukay. Ano ba yung stages na to? Kasi for most of, siyempre yung mga may background sa cycling, you would know that, di ba? 4 stages yan. Ano-ano yung mga ito? Kasi ilang araw? 3 araw, no? Tama ba?
Yes.
Yeah?
So,
Mm.
Tour of Matabungkay consists of 4
Mm.
stages, 3 days.
Okay.
Stage 1, individual time trial, 40 km. Stage 2,
Okay.
minsan ahon, minsan criterium. So, that's like 80 to 100 km. Depending.
80 to 100.
Yearly,
Oo.
nag-iiba. Stage 3, that's the queen stage. Usually, yun yung pinaka-maahon. And then, stage 4 would
How is
be
ahon na ahon?
road race.
Paano ahon?
100 km, minsan parang 2,000 elevation, mga ganon. Na in
2,000
total.
elevation.
Pero there's always a neutral zone naman. Pero,
Oo.
yun, parang total 350 km for 3 days, mga ganon. Nag-range yung Tour of Matabungkay. And, 3,000 to 4,000 elevation. Yun.
Okay. So, itong 350 na to, lahat kayo, you get to race in each of the stages? Or parang, o sige, si Mikay muna, kasi mukhang criterium si Mikay ang ano.
Okay.
Ganun ba?
Kwento mo.
Yung stage 2 criterium ba yun? Parang ahon.
Kwento mo muna. Yung tanong kasi ni Sir kung mamimili ka lang ba ano. Originally kasi, itong Matabungkay na to.
Namili na ako ng stage kasi doon ako sa parang kaya ko lang.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Una,
Ano yung stage na yan? Sige.
una dapat 2 and 4. Yung
Okay.
yung original na plan.
Oo.
Tapos na-realize ko, ay, ang tarik pala ng stage 4. Parang wala naman akong training sa... Okay, stage 3 ako. So, ayun,
Oo.
na-move ako ng stage 3.
Mhm.
Tapos after the stage 3, ano ba?
Sabi ko,
Wala.
pagod na ako, Mikay, sumali ka na.
Pumunta lang ako ng room ni Ate Eloy. Naghahanap ako ng signal. Sabi niya, halika dito, pamasahe ka, mag-stage 4 ka. Yun lang. Yun lang. Sabi ko,
Okay.
nakadapa. Ando na-realize, nakadapa na ako. Sabi ko, okay. Yun na.
Bayad ka na. Happy birthday.
Yeah, birthday ko din yun.
That's her
Stage
birthday.
Birthday mo yun.
Yeah, I was suffering on my birthday. Oo.
What to ano ha? To experience a birthday.
memorable
race,
birthday
ha?
siya.
So this race, hindi niya lang sinalihan yung
Stage
stage
one.
1. Kumbaga
Okay.
kaming tatlo yung overall, running for overall siya, chasing for stages. Kumbaga sa Tour de France, ganon, may mga stage
Okay, yeah.
winners and then overall. Si Tade, parang si Nicole,
Oo.
that's the overall Tour de France yellow jersey, kumbaga. So yun,
Oo, so,
mga ganon.
ganun din. Yellow, may polka dot. Ganun din, may green. Mga ganun pa sa...
Yellow
sa,
lang.
Yellow.
Yellow
Ano
lang.
naman green?
Oo.
Sprint, wala.
Wala.
Yellow
lang.
lang.
Yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, yellow.
Alright. Pero ilang ng teams na sumasabit normally for your category? Marami ba? Or nahirapan ba kayo? Meron ba kayo? Ilan ng teams na sumasali din? How many teams that you get to race or compete with?
Okay, for this tour, yung may team na halos equal numbers namin is isa.
Alright.
Tapos, meron,
Mga individual.
may mga
Individual.
individual.
Yes.
Oo. Yun.
Chasing
Okay.
first.
2 to 3.
Stage games
Actually,
din. Yeah.
2 pala. So, 3 kami dapat na
Oo.
team
yeah.
na magko-compete.
Okay.
Naging, isa lang.
Nice. Siyempre, pag ako naman naisip ko rin din, not sure if it's a valid question. Kasi pag cycling, kasi nga kung team kayo, diba, in any team, teamwork is very essential eh, diba?
Yeah, okay.
Paano kayo na 1 month before? Paano kayo nag-training ba kayo?
Be.
Meron ba kayong trust? Paano?
Trust me. Trust me by Eloisa.
Trust me.
Teka, parang yun ba yung nakita kong
Trust me, trust me. Yeah.
Oo.
Inaasar na tuloy ako. Babe, paano ba daw?
Oo, paano yun? So, you had prior trainings together?
Only one.
Only
naman.
one?
No, twice. Nung sa Villar.
Oh,
Isang
two.
Villar.
Ah,
Isang
Alam ko
Ah.
si photoshoot right
yung
lang.
Iba ba yung photoshoot ride?
Photoshoot
Okay.
ride, tapos isang yung first
Mm.
meet-up ride, ganun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung meet-up ride 2 weeks before. Hindi, pero
Yes, doon lang kami nag-ride together na para lang makapag-picture as a
Yeah.
team.
Yeah.
And then
Grabe,
one
ah.
recon ride together
Mm-mm.
din.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Talaga.
Pero so parang, yun nga, maganda yung naging rapport namin because of the photoshoot.
Photoshoot.
Yeah.
Yung mga
TikTok,
content
diba?
na
Yeah.
agree sila naman na gawin. Sabi ko, guys, kailangan natin to.
Ako meron kang magaling na content.
Then, yun.
Magaling na content creator
Then
no?
from
Oo.
there,
Mm.
okay yung naging namin. So sa parang, kumbaga yung tour na yung naging namin, training.
Training pala yun.
How it is. Parang
Ah.
doon namin na discover, ganito, ganyan.
Yeah.
Si Nicole, you should do this, you should do that. So Nicole, with her experience, you asked her
Yeah,
with that
yeah.
individual time trial.
Sige nga, actually, I was actually reviewing that video, yung umuulan.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kasi nga bagyo, right? No? Yung individual time trial. And you were, queen of
Okay.
that stage.
Ganito kasi
Oo,
nangyari. Nung una, since hindi pa nga namin alam kung sino yung parang race leader, kumbaga.
Wala.
Oh.
Kasi wala
Namin
kaming
alam.
wala kaming parang training ride na sino yung malakas sa ganito, sino yung... So, we agree,
After team trial.
after team trial,
Time trial. sorry.
yeah. Kung sino yung pinaka...
Mabilis.
Mababa yung time.
Oo, mabilis.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Siya yung race
Siya
leader.
magiging.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, we all support will be the race leader. Yan.
Okay.
So,
We all agree.
after that, yan, si Nicole yung...
Yun na.
won.
Si Nicole na. Alright. Magkakalapit ba kayo ng time or...
No.
Talagang medyo may mga may mga friendly competitions ba within the team?
We didn't know we didn't know the capability of
Yeah.
because we just met each other
Yun nga.
recently. So I think the goal actually before the time trial, the goal was we have to find a leader via time trial. Tas yan yung like to get the best position in the whole tour. We didn't expect that the time trial the outcome would be that way.
Okay.
I didn't even
sige.
expect also the time
No,
trial.
siya lang yun. She's
The
so
time
humble.
trial
We
to be
expect
that
it.
way. Kasi
Paano nangyari? Sige nga. Oo. Grabe,
I
parang
was-
nakita ko nun. Napaupo ka ba or something like that? Sa time
that was
trial?
the last. The time
The last one.
trial, it
Okay.
was
Mm-mm.
actually the time trial. There was 2 ways to go about it for me. There was one option to save my legs for the following stages
Day.
because I didn't know if I could finish all the stages. And then the other option was to gun it.
Eto na.
And then,
Oo.
so I was the second to the last kasi to start the time trial.
Okay.
And then, so I started I didn't realize na if you will know your position because you start overtaking people.
Alright.
So,
Oo.
How many gap? Sorry, 30 seconds each.
30 seconds each.
Yeah.
So, I was
30 seconds.
out of maybe almost 10. I was second to the last. So, yeah, to start
Okay.
the time trial. So, I was taking it easy first kasi sobrang, I said, you know what, stay at zone 2 muna, 2.5. And I was so calm kasi parang it was raining, the weather was good, and I was in the aero position of my
Naka-ano ka dyan?
triathlon. Yeah. So,
TT.
yeah.
Okay,
So, it
alright.
was a familiar position.
Oo.
And then once I overtook the third person, that's when I realized na
She's winning.
kaya to.
Kaya.
So I said, after 10K pa yun. So I said that my heart rate is so low.
Oo.
So I just went for it already. As in, I wasn't anymore thinking. I was just going. And it was like I knew what I was gonna do already the whole way.
Wait,
through.
I was the first one, di ba? Ako ata yung pinakauna
Sa atin.
sa atin.
Yeah.
So,
Oo.
nung nakita na overtake niya na ako, I was so happy kasi I'm struggling. Go, Nicole! And then,
Yeah.
parang iba, na first time ko na-experience na, na parang, hindi, kasi pag ikaw lang mag-isa, parang you're on your own lang,
Yeah.
you're racing for yourself. But ito, when you saw your teammate
Yeah.
na, parang syempre, first time ko ma-experience na maging happy na na-overtaken ako sa time. Because she's my teammate.
Yeah.
Yun.
After Eloy, there was one more person I had to overtake to be more or less sure that I
You were
won,
the stage winner.
that I was the stage winner. Because the goal was to get the best possible position for the team.
Yes.
But when I realized, parang kaya to win it. So, I just kept going and going and going. As in, hindi ko man alam na tapos na yung race. Finish line na pala. I just kept
Ano
going
nangyari?
mga 50 meters and I go, I had to ask a marshal, Kuya, tapos na ba yung race?
Ano sabi ng Marshall?
Oo.
Speaking in relation to na tapos na ba yung race, may ganyan din episode si Day. Sa stage 2.
Stage 2 naman.
So, iba naman yung stage 2 pala. So,
Okay.
stage
Stage 2, no?
first time ka sumali.
Sa?
Nandun stage 2 ka. Ay, di ba? May place ka. May place
Yeah.
Ikaw muna
Okay,
tapos
sige,
kwento.
sige, sige.
Stage two.
Oo. Stage
Stage niya
2.
yun.
Yeah, Mikay.
Well, it was actually,
Hindi, ano siya.
Tough ba?
Ay,
Tough
hindi.
yung ano, yung
Nakat
day.
siya nung una. So, nangyari noon, 80 siya dapat. Since
Yeah,
mabagyo,
kasi
nakat
Ah,
to...
no,
In-announce
stage 3
before.
yun.
Hindi, nakat
Okay.
rin yung
Nakat
stage
din yung
2.
stage 2, di ba?
Hello,
nakat mo rin, guys.
Hindi kayo nakat. Hindi
So,
nakat. Hindi
Ano?
natuloy.
So, dapat
Hindi,
dalawang
oo.
ikot siya,
Ah, hindi siya
naging
na
isa.
Oo.
Ah,
Sa
okay.
taas na yung
Familiar
feedback.
ka with Batulaw, the
Okay.
Batangas. Dapat hanggang pagbatas doon, bababa ka.
Bababa.
Hanggang
Alright.
doon na lang sa taas
So,
yung ano.
all ahon na lang siya.
So, parang
Oo.
yun na lang.
Yeah.
Naalala mo na.
Oo.
So, naalala mo. Diba?
Sige, paalala mo
So,
natin.
paano nangyari?
Oo.
Ikaw
Paano nangyari doon? Oo, Mikay.
Well, the funny thing is, sa stage 2, hindi namin alam kung saan yung
Yeah.
finish line. Hindi namin
namin
alam.
alam yung finish line.
Second
Nabago
time.
kasi last
Like,
minute. Like,
Nabago last minute.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kasi it's raining hard.
Oh,
For safety.
okay.
Yeah, for
Alright,
safety.
okay.
Tsaka may previous experience kasi sa Tour of Bungay, palaging may ano yan eh.
may arc.
May arc na
Okay.
sa finish line. So sabi ko, malapit na ba? Kasi ano,
Wala yung arko.
Yeah, wala arko. Tapos yung sign, parang confusing. Kasi double
Yung
na
2
last,
kilometers.
yeah, double yung
Last
1K.
kilometer is
oo.
double. 1
Oo.
kilometers, bigla na lang.
1 kilometers pa.
Oh.
Oo.
So, confusing.
Parang 1
Okay,
km tapos
okay.
last km.
Yeah, tapos hindi mo alam yung finish line kung saan. So, what I was doing is, babantayan ko, based on my experience lang ha, babantayan ko yung kaya ring rumamate. Sprint.
Yes,
Sprint.
yes,
So,
yes.
since walang breakaway, and sabi ko, a
Oo.
few meters away na lang sa finish line. Even though hindi ko alam kung saan yung finish line. So, sumasabay na lang ako sa kayang mag-sprint, and I did not realize na, okay, nakuha ko na pala yung sprint. I was like, okay, push, kaya ko to. Ganun lang yung ano niya.
Meron ba, wala ba kayong ano, parang, di ba sa Tour de France, may
Wala.
mga gano'n, wala.
Wala.
Next
Ibang,
year.
After
baka
sponsor.
next
Sponsor.
year.
Guys, sponsor yung ano.
You are.
Anong tawag doon?
Radio.
Communicator?
Parang earpiece.
Yeah.
na-
Good din for
radio,
content.
ganun.
Yeah. If you
But for reference na, Sir Raul, yung
Yes, ma'am.
race na yon magkasama pa yung open, tsaka yung
Yeah.
yung
Amateur.
amateur,
Right.
ng
Yeah.
sabay kami
Oo.
ng start. So, lahat kami, dikit-dikit kami,
Kakasama.
tarog dito. First time, so this is the first time for Nicole and
Yes,
Bay
oo.
na mag-road race kasi they're coming from triathlon.
Yeah.
So, talagang bantayan. Effect. And then, nung last sprinting na, sabay-sabay kami halos lahat. Doon na umano
na
yung kung sino
nag-all out.
nag-sprint talaga. So, si Mika yun.
Okay.
Pero
Galing,
si
ah.
Bay,
Oo. So bakit na nangyari, Bay? Ang
layo.
Sumobra ka rin ba?
Sobra pa sa sobra.
Okay.
What allow the
Bay, ano ba talaga nangyari?
development?
Ba't ka nawala?
Okay. I haven't been there. Pero
Yeah.
sige nga.
Di
Ano
ba
pa ba
nag-sprint na si
nangyari?
Mika? O, yun.
Oo.
Okay-finish na.
Mag-finish na. And
Yeah,
then?
kasi pag nag-sprint,
Mm-mm.
syempre nakayuko, di ba? So,
Okay.
All out.
all out push. Tapos, when I saw yung front ko na tumigil na rin ako.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, nung hinahanap ko sila, hindi ko sila mahanap.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, nung may nakita ako parang si Dave, yung
Yeah.
husband ni Eloy, sumisigaw na, doon pa.
Okay.
So sabi ko, nagpanik ako. Sabi ko, wait, doon pa pala yung finish line. Tapos
Kasalanan pala ni Dave.
sprint ulit ako.
Hindi!
Okay.
Sabi niya dun pa?
Yun yung rinig ko. Tsaka yung, kasi gumaganon eh. So, nag-sprint ulit ako. Tapos all out. Sabi ko, shit, wala na. Tapos
Kasalanan ni Dave.
push lang ng push hanggang sa umabot siya. Sabi ko, wait lang, alayo na to. Twin Lakes na.
Sumubra ka na.
Sobra.
Sobra pa sa sobra.
Tagaytay.
Wala na siya sa Batangas. Sa Cavite na siya.
Sabi ko, wait lang, parang walang nanonood, walang
Kailangan
marshal.
pala ng
Tapos,
sasakyan.
Paano mo nalaman?
yun nga, nung parang nag-observe na ako sa paligid, parang, wait lang. Parang mali to. Tapos nag-U-turn na ako.
Kita ka na.
Tapos,
Okay.
hindi ko pa din sila makita. So, may guy akong tinanong,
Oh, okay.
Kuya, saan po yung finish line?
Marshall ba to? Hindi naman naka-potato na matanda na.
Random people.
It was like, ano pong finish line? Tapos doon ko na nakita si Lou na tinatawanan na ako.
Sinundo ka ni Lou, di ba?
Tinatawanan niya na ako na, ano nangyari sa'yo? Kala ko pinalikat ka na, ganyan.
Oo.
Kala ko umiiyak ka na, ganyan. Paiyak na ako. Tapos sabi ko, akala, hindi ko mahanap yung finish line. Tapos,
You guys won that race.
Yeah.
Galing,
Tas,
galing.
line, oo. Line na yung, hindi nakita yung finish line, no? Parang paint lang siya na,
Ano siya?
Green
Sino po nakakahanap
siya.
nakahanap
Alam
ng
mo
finish line pakisabi
alam mo yung ano ka na?
Nawawala pa rin.
Meron naman.
Meron
Tapos,
naman.
Green electric tape.
tapos meron
Parang
ang guy na
Ganun lang.
Sabi ng husband ko, meron naman daw. Kaso, yung naghahawak ng 1km, pa iba-iba daw.
Parang
Parang
na-hype.
lakad. So,
Na-hype
nag-hype
siya.
siya.
Baka na-hype lang sa finish, pag-finish din natin. Sabi mo last pag ka na, tapos hinahanap ko pa yung finish line kung saan.
Wait, saan yung finish line?
It's parang plus 5 km, 6 km.
5 kilometers
Yung
additional.
layo niya. Sir.
Grabe.
Tapos all out talaga.
okay.
Nag-picture na kami lahat. Sa GB.
So, yung picture tuloy nila, 3 lang
5
tayo.
kilometers eh. Haba
Yeah.
nun ha. Okay.
Itim siya.
Talaga mawawala ka talaga nun. Ang layo nun ha.
In the zone eh.
Oo na. Grabe. So yun yung mga iba-ibang strategies na ginagawa niyo para manalo or makuha to mga stage na to na wins. Grabe
So, Nicole, being the overall, she's the protected rider. Hindi siya namin pwedeng humarap. Kami lang. Kasi committed na kami na dapat, siya yung protected rider. Likod ka lang. So, parang for her to conserve the energy for the entire tour and to parang ma-sustain namin yung gap niya. Which is, ano bang gap mo sa
For me,
ng stage 2? Yung sa
After
time trial.
stage 2, maybe
3 minutes.
almost 2 minutes.
malaki no?
Yung time trial mo, 2 minutes yung gap mo sa second.
Yeah,
Okay.
almost 2 minutes. 1 hour, 1 minute 40.
So ang laki nung hahabulin nung kalaban ninyo. Di ba?
So, sa stage 2 pa lang, may
Oo.
strategy. So, bantayan in a way na kung yung second, dapat kami yung magbabantay doon. Kasi
Okay.
anytime na umatak yun, kami, and then she will just follow. Parang ganon.
Alright. So kumbaga at that point, alam niyo na rin kung sino yung titignan niyo from the competition.
Yes.
Alright.
Sila.
Galing ha.
We were following
We're just
instructions.
following
So yun yung mga
instructions.
funnest and funniest moments niyo pala ha.
Madami.
Madami.
That's only stage 2. And then there's
Okay.
stage 3 and then stage 4.
Alright. Yung mga climbs, hindi ba mahirap? Ano ba mga toughest moments
Stage
ninyo?
3 may climb ba?
Oo.
May climb ba?
Rolling na.
Rolling.
Okay.
Pero yung stage 3 yung trust me.
Trust.
Okay. Paano bang
Trust
kwento
me.
nun? Yung trust me na yun.
Kasi what happened was, I think she was in the lead pack, si Mikay, and we were in the chase pack. And then, so, we found out that our crit race was cut short.
Okay.
So,
Doon na lang
tulog
din
kasi
ako-
siya.
It was supposed to be 3 loops. It became 2 loops. But we found out in midway through the last loop. Naghabol pa kami. And then, so, when, of course, the other people in our group that weren't our teammates,
Oo.
they tried to break away from us also. But when we tried to follow them, it was palusong. And then there was
Two cars.
There were 2 cars. I even remember the car. One was a pickup truck, one was a van. Because they were not even across each other. They were like this. And there were oncoming cars at us. And
Oh, wow.
of course, me, I am used to no cars,
Oo.
no people.
Mm.
And then so I was just like, oh my God. I was just shouting. I shouted at Ellen, where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go?
And then being on the game, and then I know the momentum kasi sayang naghahabol kami. Just trust me. So, pag promeno ka kasi,
Yeah.
Yung pala
mahihinto
yun.
ka. So, I was
Yeah.
running 50, 60 kph downhill. So, just trust me. And then, dito ka lang sa likod.
So I was following her. Like, oh my God, this is the moment. I was like, trust God, Ren. My God. And nahabol naman namin because of Eloy.
Wow.
So, yung dalawang nasa breakaway.
Tama naman
So,
pala.
domestic.
Okay.
Yun yung connect na
Yun yung domestic ka naman.
Yeah.
ha?
And then
Naks
yun yung
naman,
connect kay Mikay na, Mikay, maglaro ka na ng 4. Pagod na ako. Kasi I was really like pushing too hard. Kasi nga, we had a plan na ganito gagawin namin, someone attack, ganito gagawin namin. And then, middle of the race, nawala yung plan namin. So we have to,
And we weren't together anymore. So 3 of us were together, but Mikay wasn't there. So we couldn't communicate with each other on what to do. So kami, we had to, si Ella yung nag-adjust kasi kaming dalawa. Follow instructions.
Yeah, being their first time in the tour. But to be honest, their first time is really super good, di ba?
Yes.
Galing,
Ikaw,
galing.
Grabe. First time, tas overall. I mean, nung first time ko, I was ako yung pinaka-last sa GC. Yes! Second to the last.
Ako?
No, ako. Uy,
Sige, ako na. Ako na.
Pati yung pinaka...
Okay.
Nung nag-race ako against yun, pasok ko sa top 5 ako, I was the mga top 10 ata. Oo, that was my first time.
Okay.
But
Alright.
kasi parang sila Bay, yan sila. Parang ako, parang knowing, lagi sila, kaya ko ba? Ako lang lagi.
Yeah.
Ako lang naman hindi sure
Bike.
sa kanila.
Hindi, daw si Bay, parang yung sa training rides namin, parang naiiyak. Sabi ko, bakit ka naiiyak? Pagod ka lang. And then si Nicole, then everyone is like, alam ko kung paano. And then alam ko yung parang gabi kayo mag-bike. Ngayon, mag-training. So, that's me.
Doon ko rin nasabi ko, ba't parang yung nakikita ko sa social media, active na nagbabike sila, tapos ako nag-duty. Sabi ko, okay, kaya ko ba to?
It was so hard to train for it.
Super yung,
Yeah.
after work, mag-i-indoor ka, then yung, makakapag-ride ka lang outside on weekends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang alam mo yung, inaano mo yung,
Saka
mo.
itong race na to, talagang matik mo kang kailangan mong lumabas eh.
Yeah.
Diba? For you
Talaga.
to kumbaga enhance your skills, your handling skills.
Yes.
Saka yung
You have to adapt sa, sa weather.
Hindi siya close road.
Yeah.
Yan.
yun pa nga
Mainit.
eh.
Iba yung init sa Batangas.
Oo nga eh. So, lahat ng mga races ever since ng tour, hindi siya closed?
Hindi.
No,
Ever
No.
since?
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
it's really race on...
Nag-training ako for the traffic.
Grabe. Kasi yun nga yung gusto kong tanongin. I mean, aside from, meeting each other, saka nagtitrain for this race. So, kung iba-iba, kung hindi kayo as a group, east, ganyan. Ganun kahirap dapat.
Yung napag-trainingan namin prior to the tour, yung stage 2 na route, no? Yung Batulao. So,
So
yun lang.
you went there para
Oo.
makapag-train talaga doon.
Yun yung parang
Okay.
training ngayon. Pero yung mga individual training namin, of course, may sarili-sarili. Like si Mikay, taga,
San Mateo.
yun.
Yeah.
Oh,
Malayo pa.
Mas mas mahirap din doon.
I know, before San Mateo, sa ako, Pasig.
Okay.
So, indoor, ganun.
Ako, indoor. And then, yun nga, minsan sa Ride with Tool Nation or yung solo ride.
Oo.
Yun, doon. Tapos si
Alright.
Nicole, she has her own din.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then kayo yung most experienced, no? Kasi you've done it thrice nga
Yeah,
ba? Tama?
thrice. Oo.
Alright. And then Ma'am Eloy, thrice na rin. 4 times.
5 na
5
tatong
times?
2025. Yeah.
Ikaw na pala ang
Senior.
bilang queen. Senior dami 5 times na.
Sorry. fourth time yung full. Yung 2024 kasi, lang ako. Nag-time trial lang ako. Di ko kasi kaya. Kasi kakabalik ko lang mag-bike nung 2024. After hiatus nung 2023.
Yeah,
Yun.
yeah. Oo. Oh, nice galing And wow, kung kayo, for example, I'm sure you've seen a lot of kumbaga yung mga pwede yung masuggest kasi nga nasabi mo kanina, you've talked to the organizer na isama tong category na to. But if you have the chance to do it again next year, yung Tour of Matabungkay, meron ba kayong i-request na aside from closing the roads, ano yung mga changes na pwede nyo magawa? Kasi nga, you've seen of, di ba? Itong mga iba pang kailangan ayusin ba? Meron bang gano'n na you wish na ito yung sanang pwedeng mangyari sa tour? Or you want it that way lang? Yung mga, are there any other rules na kailangan pa mabago or mga gano'n? Wala naman.
Well, sa marshals siguro, I think. Marshals.
More.
Yeah, more marshals.
Visibility. Marshals.
Yeah, oo. Tapos, yung marshals na can handle the cars, na alam yung, alam yung way ng rider. Kasi meron, well, hindi, I'm not sure if, basta may mga marshals kasi na hindi niya alam yung,
Galawan.
yeah, hindi niya alam na yung task niya as a marshals.
Okay.
Yeah, marami ng cases na ganun.
Oo.
Just to lessen lang the accident kasi in previous
Marami
tour of
bang
Matabungkay.
Ano nangyayari dito?
May history.
May mga history na
May
ganun.
history na talaga.
Okay.
And then,
Oo.
kasi yun nga, ako gusto ko siya because yung racing, ikaw, like, iba yung individual races like triathlon, duathlon, mga ganun. Pero iba rin yung thrill ng criterium and road racing. Iba siya. It's a different kind of experience. Lalo na with a team this strong. Yun.
Wow. So you guys girls are doing it again and again? Huh?
Okay, the plan, ayun tinatanong mo. So kung meron, ako, sana ma-agree kasi there's already like, I'm suggesting races for our team next year.
Alright, okay.
So,
may nakaplan na ba, manager?
Yeah, may sure na one, which is the first race next year as a Two-Wheel Nation.
Attack?
Yeah, the attack, gravel.
Gravel.
Yeah.
So aside from road cycling, you also do gravel? Kasi ako nakita
Yeah.
nag-gravel ka na rin. You also
First
done-
din natin yun.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we're learning along the way.
Okay.
And yeah.
Oo,
It's my second time
Nag-gravel.
joining the gravel race.
Oh.
Second time pa lang.
Yeah.
And this time, hindi siya team versus
Oo.
team.
I see.
Individual.
Individual siya. Ayun nga. So, pero representing siguro. Pero yung as a team,
As a team.
gusto ko sana. Kasi Shimano, one of the organizers of Shimano Cycling Festival reached out to me. And then I asked again if they can add another category for executive na. So, this would be March 15. That's Shimano Cycling Festival. There's a criterium and there's a team time trial. So, hopefully, ma-discuss nila kung marinig nila tong podcast na ito matuloy. Kasi
Shimano. Alright.
there's really for me, since nasimula na yung Tour of Matabungkay and it's really like booming. Unlike before na bilang lang sa kamay yung sumasali na ngayon, makikita naman nila na ang dami ng dumami na yung babaeng nagbabike. So, I guess it's time na lagyan nyo sana ng category na.
Lagyan
And then,
nyo
so,
na.
para ma-encourage yung executive people, mga ganyan.
Oo.
Na kaya pala.
Na mag-race. Kasi, di ba, with, multisports, may age group. So, they're joining, girls like joining age group kasi there's like a fair game. So, hopefully, And then, from there,
So yun yung parang wishlist din yun.
mag-start na magkaroon talaga ng mga categories. Yun.
Okay. It would really help, no? And hopefully it will also boost the female or the women cycling here in the Philippines, na?
Yeah, for me, it will.
Yeah.
It will definitely. Kasi, hindi naman discourage, pero kasi pag magsimula ka, nakalaban mo agad yung pro, it's an experience.
Yeah.
But if you're like an amateur, like wanted to just try it, siyempre, saan ka maghahanap? Ay, kalaban ko agad. Parang may
Wala
sort
ka
of,
ng-
oo eh. So,
Parang alam mo
hopefully-
na medyo, may hirapan na ako dito. Parang hindi na ako makakalaban, no? Unless na siguro, anin ko, butasin ko yun. Ganun eh, no? Dahil pero lang, gagawin yun. Okay. So talagang kailangan at least, ano ba, match lang. Dapat yung mga matches lang.
Well, ang tinatanong ko sa iba, like my coaches, paano ba sa ibang bansa? Like sa US, ganyan. Sa US kasi iba eh. May mga Cat A, like if you're familiar with Zwift, di ba may Cat A, B, C, D, ganun sa US. And then sa ibang bansa,
Level. May
level.
level. Oo,
Yung
oo.
cycling, ano nila. With dito, hindi kasi ganun kadami pa unlike ibang bansa. So, kaya nagkakaroon kaya nga kahit na I'm really thankful na nagkakaroon. Kaya before kasi wala talaga hindi talaga kahit anong pilit ko. Hindi, unti lang kasi yung sumasali, wala sumasali na ba. Ganun yung lagi yung reason.
Yeah.
Tapos yung sabi, bakit sa multi-sports kaya nila mag-age cut kahit sabihin mo, at least meron, di ba? So now, at least thankful ako na
Mambudol
meron.
pa kay ibang babae.
Yeah.
Oo.
I think
That's the
hopefully
goal.
after
Oo.
TOM,
Yeah.
I think that after that race, hopefully that because we did it, that
Yeah.
more people will want to do it. And also more organizers will realize that there's a category for us to join and to make a full category of it. Because I think the reason why it's a good thing that a lot of us already joined the first time that they did it, because it shows that there is a gap in the body pot, there's a gap in the market that this category is able to fill.
Yun.
And-
Oo.
Speaking from not just as an athlete but also as an organizer, is if you see that there's a gap and there's a way for you to be able to grow the sport, why
Oo.
won't you, diba? And I think also when you define what it is for that category, like executive, amateur, pro, it allows you to also know where you are in all of it. If you're an amateur, if you're an executive, if you're part of the Women's Open. But it allows you also that you don't have to just settle that you're just, I just really love cycling. Because at the end of the day, there are a lot of people that they love cycling. They, like me, I ended up in triathlon because I want to race. I want to see,
Level up.
Where
For
you
me-
can be.
for me,
Oo.
progress is defined by a race.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
what the definition of progress for me. I don't really see it like I got better, hindi na ako na-drop today. For me, that is what defines it. And I think maybe for more people, that might also be the case.
Yeah. Interested lang ako. Ano yung for example, during the race, for mga cycling data person, minomonitor nila yan eh. Your highest watts that you were able to produce. What will it take for you to win a one stage? Do you wanna that? Look at your power?
Hindi.
I have no power meter.
I have.
I don't even know my FTP. Hindi ko Yeah.
But,
Interesting ha, talaga.
hindi pa
Walang
ganun
data.
siguro more on feel pa lang siya, more on
Yung
reading the
perceive-
game.
effort lang, yung
when it
effort,
comes to
oo.
Effort.
cycling race,
Even heart rate? Hindi niyo
meron.
inaano? So meron?
Wala.
Meron.
Oo.
Ako meron.
Ako wala.
Okay.
Zone 5 all the way.
Ay, alam ko si Nicole, zone 5 all the way.
Zone 2 lang
Pag
siya.
race, I
Okay.
don't wear heart rate monitor.
It's a tactic as well.
Feeling. Feel your
Oo.
ano na lang.
Yeah.
Feel your body.
What you don't know. What you don't know won't hurt you.
If kaya mo,
Kaya
just
mo,
go.
kaya mo.
Go.
Like if you want it, go for it.
That's the
Nice,
mindset,
ah.
no?
Before you talk
Exciting.
about data, there needs
Oh.
to be more opportunities for us to
Yeah,
actually
exactly.
use that data. I think even down to how to train for a cycling race. It's not as accessible as it is for multi-sport here.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of probably coaches that we already know that at the top of your head, how do I get
Pure
to be,
cyclist.
yeah,
no?
how do I become a better cyclist? But there's not a lot of
Yeah.
that yet here, unlike in other countries.
Then, iba pang usapan yung money involved on how, sa triathlon, we know, di ba? Pero yung money involved to join races like this. I mean, the sponsorships, kasi gusto, pero like individually, you have to pay for the accommodation and everything. So, yung support and then the capacity yun din.
Yeah.
Even hindi lang
How
naman sa
much-
women's
yeah.
sa lalaki din eh.
Mahal ba ang mga races? On an average, how much is the registration per team? Oh.
Mas mahal pa rin triathlon,
Yeah.
syempre.
Okay.
Individual triathlon.
Yung for TOM, mga magkano ang average?
2.5 per
2.5 per
stage.
stage. So,
Okay.
Per stage.
Okay.
10,000 for the whole.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero ang napapanalunan mo, I was just interested na. Magkano napapanalunan mo? Isang
Pride.
manalo?
Yeah,
So,
pride.
Wala.
Walang prize involved?
No.
Even triathlon, wala naman din, di ba? But if you're pro lang, di ba?
Yeah, if you're pro and if you're...
Hindi,
meron.
There are
if you're
some-
your
meron.
top female, for example.
There are some races that
Oh.
have, but that's just a you don't as an age group triathlete, you won't register to win the cash prize. I think same for this because we're amateurs. We didn't join it to win cash
Okay.
prize also.
Yeah.
But
More
Diba?
on pro.
Oo.
but there's a lot involved because I think in cycling, it's not just the registration. There's also support that you need during the race, which the nutrition, the people. I think especially the people. I think that is the what Two Wheel Nation was able to give us is they were able to let us be athletes for 3 days.
Yeah.
Na first time ever.
Good. Ano yung
Because
mga
it's different.
kulang? Ano yung mga kailangan dito na support? Aside from the people, ano yung mga kailangan ninyo to race as an athlete?
Hindi, I mean, what Nicole, yung sinabi ni Nicole kasi, like, different from triathlon individual. You don't need someone na mag-aayos ng
Sa
bike
bike
mo.
mo.
Because this is a multi-stage race.
Okay.
After race, there's someone who will clean your bike, who will tono your bike.
So meron
who will-
kayong ganun sa
Yeah.
team.
Yun yung-
So may team mechanic.
Yes. And even
Okay.
during the race, there's someone who will give you nutrition.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
someone, what do you want?
Correct.
Ice.
Replace your bidon. though.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yun nga yung sabi ko din eh. It's different from individuals kasi kailangan ikaw prepare mo na
Oo.
lahat.
Yeah.
Ito, ganun siya.
May at least ito paano may taga-ayos. May mga...
Masur, may masur din.
Yeah.
After, because
Yeah.
it's multi-sport. After
Yeah.
each race,
Oo.
massage.
Wow.
Yun.
Kasi ano no? Consecutive 3
Yeah.
days na magkakasunod no? Ano yung sa tingin wish list in terms of support? Are there any other things that you wish that aside from that, ito yung anong tawag ba nun? Radio.
Yeah.
Radio, no?
Oo, that will
Radio.
definitely. Pag sa multi-stage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Saka yung, kasi di ba in the tour, for example, abroad, parang may sumusunod sa
We had
inyong
naman.
car.
We had.
Meron.
Commercial.
We had
SAG.
So I think we also that one we also had. So more or less we kind of were
We're good.
we were good. We were very
Yeah.
Well
fortunate
supported.
and
Yeah.
well supported throughout the whole race, and they knew how to support us because they've done it before, and
Yeah.
they knew that we weren't as experienced, so
Yeah.
it helped a lot also that they were there.
Yeah.
whole
It's like
From
they know
nutrition,
what we need.
Yeah.
Parang,
They know what we need before we
Yeah.
even know it.
Yeah.
Yun
May
ang ano,
magkamali, during the
Oo.
race, nandyan sila. Yun, ganun.
Was there any point na tigilan natin to? Yeah.
Nakasimula pa lang eh. Yung mga individually? Oo.
Meron.
Kung ba ginagawa, eh.
Parang first time ko, tapos all stages, ano ba to? Iyak na.
Well, stage 4. Yan, taste na lang kami
Yeah.
lahat eh. Pero
grabe.
yung stage 4 pala yung pinakaahon.
Yeah.
So what happened doon?
Yung
Hindi ko na makwento to kasi ito na yung nawala na ako.
Ito yung 20 kilometer climb.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
The 20 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ito yun, di ba? Yeah.
Very steep.
Sa loob.
Ano yun? Yung grade nun? Would you remember? Yung elevation, yung total
20 plus.
elevation? 2,000? May mga ganun ba?
No.
18?
Ano
Okay.
sa...
I think
May
this is
maximum
gradient.
25.
25.
Oh.
The gradient.
Si Mama
is-
Mary.
Okay.
Yeah.
yung pagdaan mo,
Alam mo si
mapapapray ka.
Mama Mary.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kaya sigurado si Mama Mary.
Nakita ko lang siya sa panaginip ko. Pero
Yeah.
Mapapapray.
naalala ko eh.
There.
Oo,
It was
tama.
there. That 20 kilometer climb.
Oh, wow.
Ang daming
Okay.
funny moments.
Hindi ba kayo nagka-climb na parang, teka, nito pa ba ako?
Ako, napapaperya ko dun eh.
Napapalasan sila dun sa ahon. Like ako,
Grabe.
hanggang sa kaya ko, binabla ko lang. Pero pagdating sa kanila, si Be, tsaka si Nicole, like, may tactic din kami noon, pero siguro huwag na natin sabihin for
Yeah.
the
Sabihin nyo na.
Yeah.
Sabihin Oh.
I think at that moment, we all knew na what we had to do to get to the finish line. So, kasi mahirap sa ahon to stick together. But I think we knew what to do already. I think by that time, we kind of already knew na.
Ano na kasi, since last stage na protect ng stage 3 as well, na-protect ni Nicole, walang nabago, di ba?
Yeah.
Wala.
Sa stage 4 as well.
Kasi pagka fresh siya, na-protect nyo siya,
Yeah.
magiging ano ka on the very end, ano?
Yeah. So,
Oo.
when they said to go,
Banat ka talaga doon.
I knew na I had to just keep going. As in my head, no matter how tired I was, I said, nagawa na everything for me. I just have to finish it in the fastest possible time. So I wasn't thinking even how far pa the climb, sino ba hinahabol ko. All I knew was that
I just have to give my best.
I just have to finish it na. Parang, and I knew na sa climb pa lang, even if there were people ahead of me, I knew na amin na to.
Kasi it's also a race within a race. Like, may mga nag-break away sa amin na, okay, sila na yun, bahala na sila. Kasi itong grupo na to, we're all about overall GC. Kasi yung GC is 5, and then yung the rest, naghahabol na lang sila ng stage win. So, may gano'n na, okay, hayaan mo na. And then,
yun yung mas importante yung GC.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun is for us, because we're a team. And then we have a competitor team na,
Sino kalaban nila na-
Opus
Oh,
lang.
yeah.
Ilan ba
Okay.
sila? 3 or 4? 4 din
Yeah.
sila.
Oo,
And they're
oo.
really strong as well. So that's
Oo, malalakas
that's
yan.
kaya nga ang sweet din ng pagkamanalo. Kasi alam mo, malakas din yung kalaban namin.
Wow.
And that's why I'm looking forward to
Galing,
more people, more
Yan.
teams,
Yeah.
more
Join.
women joining.
Yeah. So yun na. How will you inspire amongst yourself to inspire other women in cycling? Yeah. Aside from joining races, meron pa ba kayo ibang mga pwedeng mabudol or ma-inspire na sumama dito, or even for example, create new teams para syempre grow the sport. Diba yung gusto rin natin eh. Kasi out of passion, 'di ba? Definitely vlogging, syempre nakakatulong din 'yan. And doing the races and also doing your stuff. What do you think would be the other things that you would do to actively inspire other women? Yeah. Miss Universe question.
Yeah.
Turuan na
I think it's not so much that you have to actively do. I think that it's if you keep going and then you keep going with and you keep bringing people that are also women cyclists, eventually it gets a bit infectious also. So it's making the community of people making it more accessible for other people and bringing in more people and making it a positive environment for them. But also at the same time, it's an environment that you want to keep pushing them to get better. Na
Nice.
you know that okay, you need to go at this pace for now, but you're also still pushing them because for me, when I'm with my friends, it's always that I tell them na when you get there, you can't think na I don't wanna join this group kasi I'll get dropped. Dapat the first thing in your head is like, okay, I'll get dropped today, pero maybe the next few months, I won't get dropped anymore. If I just keep going and going, hindi ka naman iiwanan in the middle of nowhere. So that's what I think. You have to just make cycling fun for other people.
Yeah.
It's not that you have to actively do it naman.
Yeah. And siguro start small somewhere. Tapos eventually they'll be also to join some of the races. Yeah. Ganun din ba yung sa inyo, Bay?
Yeah, actually, hindi ko in-expect nga na ganun yung magiging reaction ng friends or people after namin mag-join sa team. Kala ko parang ang reaction, ayaw na namin sumama sa inyo kasi malalakas kayo, ganyan. Or mabibilis kayo. Pero baliktad actually, when especially when they see the content we post na laging for fun or for the vibes, ganyan. Tapos,
Iba pag sa race, iba pag content.
oo. Tapos, so parang mas dumami pa yung na-encourage na sumama mag-ride sa amin. So,
Nice.
Dun-
Oo.
yun yung pinaka proud moment.
Nice. Oo.
Yun yung,
Yeah. Be, thank you. Migay, ikaw, anything? Yeah? Like to add sa
Well,
sinabi?
Sa cycling kasi cycling is a endurance endurance sport eh. So for you to start cycling talaga and to be in a competitive
Mm.
you just have to take it easy talaga. Like
Mm.
if you're slow, then you're slow. Just keep going. That is
Yeah.
cycling. You have to build endurance first. As for me, endurance talaga. Then after that, after you build endurance,
Mm.
hindi mo kasi ma-realize na you're building endurance na after how many rides eh.
Mm.
So after that, you can do intervals. And madami actually programs sa cycling. But it will start on talaga, endurance for you to make the para maano mo siya, para magawa mo yung program.
Yeah.
For
And
you
you'd be
to-
better.
Yeah,
Oo,
yeah.
yeah. Oo. Actually, yun yung next ko na question eh. For 2026, what would be different that you'll be doing, guys? Meron ba kayong gustong idagdag sa arsenal nyo for me to be a stronger cyclist? Si Nicole, mabilis na to eh. Pero baka meron pang idadagdag na. What will I be working on next year?
As
So
an
that,
individual or as a...
as an individual.
as a team?
And also as a team. Oo.
Mm.
Yeah. Meron ba kayong gusto pang dagdag or
Well,
may,
individually, we have si Nicole, ako, si Be, nagta-try pa rin kami. So individually, yun yung race na we nagko-compete kami. Pero sa cycling, as a team, I think we should add more rides together. Yun talaga. Yun talaga. As in, siguro once or twice. Kasi yun yung makakapag-build sa amin lalo na ng ano.
Yeah.
And then the more we ride, the more we know each other na galaw,
Yeah.
na
Oo.
ano.
Okay.
And individually,
For example din, you want to be better on the climbs more or yung for example yung mas mabilis as a sprinter. Meron bang ganun na parang goal next year? Kasi nga knowing na I've raced with strong ladies now. Meron ba akong gustong i-develop next year? Yeah.
ako lalo na kasi di ako marunong umatak talaga. Kasi
Okay.
ang training ko lang yung endurance nga, sabi ni
Kasi triathlete.
Yes. And then, sprint. Pero usually indoor ko siya ginagawa kasi parang more on group
So,
ride.
tumatayo ka sa ano ha? Sa
Yeah,
indoor.
more on group ride. Yun nga, tapos hindi pa ako marunong tumayo sa bike. Kaya lagi akong worried.
Okay.
Sinasabi ko kay Mikay, hindi ko kaya mag-sprint nakatayo. So, pag may nag-breakaway, hindi ko kayang sumunod. So,
Mahirap
sana
nga yun,
next
ha?
year, kaya ko
Oo.
na.
si Tade
Yun
nga
ang goal.
Yeah.
Uy, si Tade.
Sprint nang nakatayo.
Si Tade nagsisprint ng
Oh.
kahit nakaupo lang. Hindi mo kailangan.
Iba yun eh. Alien yun eh. Alien yun eh. And kasi alam mo ba, when I started also, for example, cycling, in the climb before, nakikita ko kasi yung mga kasabay ko dati, tumatayo. Ikaw galing nito ah.
Yeah.
So, nung una kong tumayo, bagsak ako.
Takot talaga.
Yung naging goal ko lang actually was.
Cool eh, cool.
Oo eh. So, meron palang particular na movement.
Yeah.
May,
Yeah.
para siyang sayaw nga actually eh.
Yes.
Buti na lang, magaling ako sumayaw. Di ba lang yun? Yeah, so, natutunan ko rin. And yun nga, yung mga ganun siguro. No? And I'm sure kayo rin meron kayo mga individual goals that you want to do. That you want, kasi you want to improve eh. You know, as an athlete, triathlete,
Ako
Kayo,
climb.
cycling.
Climb talaga. Kailangan ko
Yeah.
ibalik yung climb ko. Nawala talaga yung climb ko.
Oo.
Pag, ayun nga, with the tour, patag, they can rely on me.
Oo.
Pero pagdating ng kumahon na, wala.
Ang climb talagang, ang practice mo dyan talagang,
Kailangan
you have to climb
Climb.
lang.
You have to climb talaga.
Climb lang. Or you practice in a trainer na yung
Elevated.
may climber eh, di ba? Tama ba? Tama ba? Yeah. Elevated siya, no? Yun is the only way that you'll be able to increase your muscle endurance na pagdating sa climbing. Naku, mahina ako dyan. Oo.
And you
Gusto ko
need
flat
also
lang.
to train your cadence.
Cadence.
Sa ahon, oo.
Oo. Pag ganun mga nutrition siyempre also plays
Yeah.
a big role. Diba? Oo. Sabay, 100 kilometer, no? Ibang ano rin
Every
yun.
30 to 45 you have to. And then, kailangan mo rin sanayin
Yeah.
yung gut mo.
Yeah.
Ayun na nga.
So, kasi, tama ba? Kung sumusuka ka pa gano'n?
Hindi, nung
Oo.
2022, mali yung nutrition. Basta, siguro something
Oo.
about my nutrition, something about the effort, na hindi ko pa kaya yung ganong effort ulit pagkabalik ko. So, nung pa-sprint na nung 2020 nung Matabungkay, suka ako dito sa kabila. Hanggang gusto ko lang maka-finish. Tapos pagka nakahupo lang ako na, putlang-putla ako. Kasi pati salt stick, kasi nagka-cramps na ako eh. Gusto kong kumapit kay Kim Vanilla. Tinatry ko. So, kahit nagka-cramps ako, pinipili ko, utak ko, gusto ko, pero yung katawan ko hindi.
Hindi kaya.
Kaya pumitake ako ng salt stick. Hanggang sa hindi na kaya, parang siguro naghahalo-halo na. Ayun, suka. And then kinabukasan, riding chill na lang ako, gusto lang matapos. pero pagdating sa road racing, it's more
More
on
on,
read,
ano, no?
not your
Exertion,
power, it's the people din eh. Kasi
Yeah.
you have to read the team's race,
Yeah.
how they race. Yun.
Kaya yung no, parang yung sa Tour de France nga, no, pag sinabihan na, ala. Yun na, no, banat na, no, di ba? Tindi, ano?
Kahit nga pag-take ng gel, to-take nila opportunity to attack. So, pati yun, kailangan
Yeah,
mong
oo.
aralin.
Ano yan.
May timing din.
Yeah, timing.
Galing.
And since na-mention mo pala yung na-side stitch ka sa tinake mo,
Yes.
kasi yung mga nutrients na mga gels na tinitake natin, we need to practice na ginagamit yan.
Oo.
Like a week or you have, may experience ka na na-take mo siya before and is it okay sa body mo? Kasi pag first time mo siyang ma-try and nag-race ka, may effect talaga yan.
Yeah.
Na
Sabi
maraming,
nga, don't try anything new
Yeah, anything new
nga,
talaga.
oo,
before
yeah.
the race.
you have to,
Yeah.
mm-mm.
Yeah.
Before
Experience.
pala, we would like to shout out our other teammate na wala dito,
Yeah.
si Rose.
Si
Oh, si Rose.
The breakaway.
Si Rose. Stage
Stage
4.
four.
We would like to thank her as well.
Oh,
The breakaway.
Yeah.
Tama.
Stage 4, siya yung nag-breakaway para sa amin.
Yes.
Nice.
Even like kahit
So,
one
lima
stage lang.
kayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero siya one
Yeah.
stage lang. And then, I remember lang what she said kasi nung last stage na parang, I don't know if you guys remember, she said, guys, ang gagaling nyo, ang lalakas nyo,
Yeah, I
na-inspire ako
remember.
Yeah.
to ride more, maging malakas. So, yun yung feeling kong goal. We don't have to, like, siguro content works, but yung individual, siya yung nakakita sa amin eh.
Yes.
Another POV yung hirap namin. So, just by showing up sa mga races na gato, it will really help. Then, in relation to what Nicole said, parang continuity, domino effect siya.
Yeah.
I hope more races for women cycling.
Yeah, oo. Mukhang marami kayong i-infect na ibang women to go into cycling and to do challenging and hard things.
Yes.
Just like you guys did, Oo. So, na-mention nyo kanina yung attacker na race. Ano pa yung mga ibang races na gagawin niyo for next year? Yeah.
Feb
Ano ba?
2022 attack.
Share mo naman kasi yung
Ito
schedule.
na,
Hindi
ito
mo
na.
sinishare.
So, Feb 2022, tumutulong na. Feb 2022,
sorry. Ulit tayo.
2022 attack. May 120 km. Tapos, meron ding March 15, hopefully if magkakaroon ng executive race.
Ito yung gravel. Yung attack.
Yung attack yung gravel.
Okay.
Tapos March 15 is criterium. And then team time trial. And
Alright.
then after that, possibly sinabi na rin na magkakaroon ng Tour of Luzon. Definitely last year meron eh. So that ngayon magkakaroon yan for sure ng executive ulit.
Tour
So,
of Luzon.
And then April, May, baka
Hindi kayo busy ha. Oo.
Hindi ako lang laro eh.
Oo.
May meron.
Teka lang, baka ikaw lang yan ha.
Madali naman kami mabudol.
Para si Nicole, schedule ba yan talaga?
So, she sent it already to us.
Okay.
Kasi para aligned na lahat eh.
Naka-Excel file na yung calendar namin.
Galing.
May meron Grand Fondo with Go Clark. Ano siya, gusto namin, si Bay sinalian namin yun last
okay.
time. 160 km. And this is kind of fun. Hindi siya yung parang matabungkay na road race. Pero may point,
Segments.
segment siya. So sa segment na yun, yung pinakamabilis mo na segment, kahit hindi kayo sabay ng kalaban mo, cumulative yun eh. Kung sino yung pinakamabilis sa lahat ng segment, siya yung
Oh.
podium.
Oh,
So,
okay.
ganun, it's fun naman.
Nice.
Then, ang daming
Alright.
neutral
Ah,
Oo.
zones. You can enjoy the view lang.
yeah.
Ako palagi ako dyan.
So,
Gusto
you
ko yan
get
sa
to,
neutral zone.
parang
Oo.
recover after.
Yeah.
And then, okay, ang sabi nga namin, pagpasok mo doon sa segment na yun, parang ka lang, hindi ka na pwedeng go mo na yan agad.
Yeah.
And then, next is, ewan ko lang kung mag-overland kami, pending pa. And then, tour of Matabong kayo na. Tama?
Alright.
Ulit, usually October first
October,
week.
diba?
Yun naman kami is pag-aligned lahat ng schedule namin. Of course, again, we have the live, we have work. So,
Yeah.
Oo
hindi
nga,
siya
no?
sa amin sa
Oo.
team, if di kaya, okay. Pero if go ka dito, okay.
Yeah.
Of course, mas maganda, mas marami kami. Pero,
Yeah. Ayun nga. Any chance ba madadagdagan pa ba kayo? Or hindi
Yes,
na?
hopefully.
Meron
Kasi
ba?
may tradition na rin sa Two Wheel Nation na sumasali ng Tour of Friendship sa Thailand. So, hopefully, mas mabuild pa namin yung women's team para makasali din kami in the future.
because it's a lot of, for me, it's a lot of ask for our sponsor then because it's a big money. And yun nga eh. We
Tour
know
of
how much
friendship.
it costs.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
we, aside from like racing, syempre, kailangan din namin perform and then
Yeah.
show exposure to our sponsor. So, yan, if you guys, yung mga nakakarinig nito na sponsors, even
Yeah.
commercial, if you want to sponsor us, just message Tool Nation. Yan.
Ako magko-cover lang. Taga-cover lang. Alright. No? So, grabe. Jam-packed calendar or season for you guys next year,
Hopefully, yeah.
2026.
Yes.
So, I'm sure marami kayong gustong pasalamatan before we end this episode. Aside from Two Wheel Nation, no? Two Wheel Nation, sino pa yung mga gusto yung pasalamatan? Baka may makalimutan kasi. Oo. Yeah.
Family, of course, friends,
Okay.
my husband, yung mga partners
yung mga
namin and family, mother, father.
Videos namin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Laging nakidyan. Yun yung mga
Sad.
background yun.
Laki ng
And
no?
Even yung
Support.
men's cycling team ng Two Wheel, sinuportahan kami talaga.
So there's also men's cycling team.
Yeah.
Galing Okay.
Nung sumali sila din. Kahit kasali sila sa race, nagpo-focus sila sa sarili nilang race, tumutulong pa rin sila like,
Galing.
eto gawin nyo.
Shout out pala kay Kuya Dave, naka-jersey.
Yeah.
Naka-jersey pa siya
Naka-jersey
pa.
habang
He's
nagsasag.
He's supposed to race
Oo.
that stage. Pero mas pinili niya na tulungan kami that year.
Individually, we have to thank Sir Mark, of course, our
Yeah,
Sir
Sir
Mark of
Mark.
Two Wheel Nation.
Yes.
Hindi na mangyari yung race na to, mabubuo yung team if wala si Sir Mark of Two Wheel Nation.
Alright. Galing. Anyone? Meron pa ba? Nicole? Yeah, to add? Yeah, before we close it? Yeah.
Ako, because my wheel broke. My wheel broke
Okay.
in stage 2. So, hi Alan, thank you so much for lending me your wheel set.
Friend ngayon, actually.
I think that one,
Okay.
that one owes a shout out.
Meron din yan, yung, kasi diba, sa mga tours, diba, may sasakyan kayo, tapos may mga naka-ready na diba, na wheel set.
Yeah, mga...
Yeah, pero wala eh. Wala kami budget eh.
Ano?
Bike actually.
Mike.
Yun ang bike,
Bike.
tama. Oo.
Extra bike ni Dave.
Yeah. Bikes. Bikes ang extra, pero hindi namin size.
Yeah, parang lang, for emergency.
Grabe, no? So, iba talaga ang exposure pa with women's cycling. Saka yung mga challenges talaga are real, with Anyway, I'm sure with the team that you are in and also with the influence that you guys have individually and as a team, I'm sure marami kayong i-invite at may inspire na women to go into cycling and to do also great things, endurance things. Kasi triathlete from Pinay Tribe, from the usuals, at ngayon into the triathlon journey. Gusto pa mag 70.3, Nicole.
She will.
Yes.
Oo.
Yan.
Kaya sabi ko siya, huwag niyo na ako pilitin mag...
And also duathlete, ma'am. Ano ba? Oo. Galing.
Uy, baka wait lang, baka magtampo. God, thank you po dahil safe kami. Hindi natin sinashoutout. Baka
Thank you, Lord. Thank
Baka
you,
hindi
Lord.
magtuloy-tuloy yung blessing. Hindi natin sinasama sa conversation.
Ayan.
Kailang pray din tayo.
Kaya nga.
Dami namin
Pag baka
Oo.
sabihin, pag nahihirapan lang kayo, tsaka kayo nagpe-pray.
Everyday. Si Mama Mary sa tuy.
So next time kasi, wag lang trust me, trust God.
Kasi dapat trust God.
Oh, yan. Alright, so Bay, Mikay, Nicole, and also Eloy, thank you so much for dropping by. Thank you for, with your presence, you were able to grace us with Shock the System podcast. In this episode, no, Women in Cycling, nako, guys, no, feel free. And please follow Two Wheel Nation, no? Follow them also on their socials, all right? And I'm sure mahanap nila, no? Yan, tignan lang nila yung Two Wheel Nation sa mga kanilang mga Instagram and also social media accounts, no? Para you will also get to follow and also support, 'di ba? Maraming kailangan sa Women in Cycling, not just yung support but also sa equipment, no? Even yung just mere preference. Yeah, sabi ko mere presence tapos cash. Ano ba yun?
Diretso na.
Kasi
walang plastikan.
Walang filter.
Walang filter. Kailangan talaga.
Okay, sige. Alright. So guys, we need their support, no? Women in Cycling so that dumami pa yung mga sa cycling and to empower also women, not just in 2025 but also for next year. Alright? So, girls, thank you so much, no? And guys, continue to share, no? Our YouTube and also on Spotify pages. Like also our content, no? And follow us and follow them, no? Follow Eloy, follow Nicole, follow Bay, and also follow Mikay, no? To their socials, no? Keep on pressing on, no? Keep on showing up and also keep that fire burning, all right? Especially for 2026, no? So, Two Wheel Nation, guys, we'll see them again to our next episode. Shock the System.
Thank you, Shock the System.
Bye.